So one thing that does surprise some borrowers, that banks don't really analyse your bank statements to sort of figure out exactly what you're spending on living expenses. How are they looking at that?
Yeah, well, most lenders don't actually ask for your bank statements in terms of, that's our role, is to check your bank statements, make sure sort of what you've declared is fairly reasonable. And then in the lenders assessing it, they sort of look at what's declared by the borrower versus they've got sort of what they call a HEM standard, which is basically for your family profile, for your income level, what's sort of a reasonable amount that they suspect that you should be needing to spend per month.
Yeah.
So unusually there's a few little categories that fall outside of that. Health insurance is one of them. The odd lender will accept that within their sort of baseline level. Private school fees, life insurance, things like that often go above what they call HEM. And the HEM number is different for every lender. So they sort of have their own standards. They update them at different times. So your lending capacity at one lender one day might be the strongest versus, the next week it's another lender, just on the way they adjust those. Now, obviously living expenses at the moment are getting hit pretty hard with inflation.
Yep.
So we're seeing that flow through a little bit into obviously the lenders' calculators and their HEM baseline.
Yep.
It'll be pretty interesting to see. They're sort of saying, with the oil prices and whatnot, how's that going to impact the next few months? So whether or not we see further increases to sort of that base level remains to be seen.
Yeah, absolutely.